Hi y'all, it's Tammy. I'm back with another quick tutorial. So I've already got one side of my head done, and you're going to start off with freshly washed and blown out hair. And you're going to part it from ear to ear across the top and then down the center. Now you can kind of part it however you want to, but just make sure some's out in the top. Now once you get it parted, you're going to slowly start to braid the section until I get towards the end. And once I get there, I'm going to take a rubber band and secure it. Back section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just finger part it down the center, and I'm going to begin putting a very big loose twist in it. And once I get towards the end of that twist, I'm going to secure it with the rubber band, fluff it out a little bit, make it a little bit more voluminous, and now I'm going to take the top braid and wrap it across the back and secure it in the center of my head over the twist. So I'm using a bobby pin to do that. Now I'm going to take the twist and I'm going to wrap it over the braid and tuck it through. Now take my band and I'm going to pull a very loose ponytail around them and then start fluffing it. And it's all done very cute and quick.